Hey fam, hey fam, how y'all doing today? Good, cause we're back with another quick and easy recipe for tuna salad without pasta. Yes, we're gonna make some easy tuna salad. So if you're ready for this video, y'all come on in the kitchen. So fam, we are back, okay? Guys, let me just adjust you a little bit. Okay. So, what you're going to need for this delicious tuna salad without pasta is some onions. Now, you can dice them up any way you would like, okay? And you would love to have at least 2 boiled eggs. Now, typically it's an egg per can of tuna, but I have 3 because that was left in the house. And yeah, I got to go back to the market. But those are the 3 ingredients that you're going to need along with sandwich bread, right? Now, many say they like theirs with Miracle Whip. And by all means, let it be your choice, okay? Let that be your choice. Now, you can add mustard, especially if you like a little tanginess going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by dicing my 2 eggs, right? I'm dicing my 2 eggs. That was nothing to worry about, okay? Now, don't try this at home with your hands if you're not an expert. Please, all means, use your chopping board or just your chopping I'm trying to stay focused. Your you know what I'm trying to say, that right there, okay? Baby, when I tell you this man is a tip thing of waste, it is. But like I said, thank you all for loving on my channel, giving me support. You could dice your eggs any way you would like, because I know I'm doing big chunks, but I'm gonna chunk my way through here, right? Gonna chunk my way through here. And even, I'm going to break up the chunks as I mix it all in. Right? And we're going to throw these onions over in here. That's the next thing I want to do. This is one of my old bowls. You know, I plan on throwing it away afterwards. Who keep old bowls around their house? I know I do. They always come in handy. Now, this is my first can of tuna. And I'm trying to be careful. I put the oil all in here because I love the oil. I love the oil. I don't know why, but it's just me. I love it, okay? And even when I get the one in the water, I drain that water off and I put olive oil in it. Now, that's a cooking tip if you love tuna with oil and you can't find it in your local store. Yeah, that's a tip. Drain that water off and put you some olive oil. I always keep me a good thing of olive oil. I sure do. Okay. Yes. Now we got it all in here. Let me get up my mess, because I like to clean as I go. And I'm just going to roughly chop everything in here. Just roughly chop it, y'all. Tell me if you're a tuna salad lover. And if so, which one would you prefer? Miracle Whip or Because Miracle Whip, you have to add everything. The celery, the bell peppers, or peppers. I'm not sure because I'm not a celery. I mean, not a celery. I'm not a Miracle Whip eater. And I really don't eat sandwich bread. Isn't that crazy? But I really don't eat sandwich bread, you guys. But I'll eat it if this is chilled the way I like it to be chilled. Yes. If it's chilled the way I like it to be chilled, yeah, I'll mess with it, right? Because I don't know. I don't like it too runnery. I don't like it too runnery. I like it thick. Is that crazy? And I love to eat it with salad. Let's shake up this mustard. Use any brand of mustard that you like. And I just usually put a squirt like that in there. And like I said, there's no measurements to this. Really, it's not. And I like a lot of black pepper. A lot of black pepper. And we're going to use a little table salt. As well as my combined seasoning. Uh-oh. My little baby woke. Go ahead and give this a quick stir. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, it smells so delicious. I have been craving this tuna for the past couple of days. You guys, for the past couple of days. Now, you could put this on a sandwich, like I said. Or did I say, you can enjoy it with crackers. It's definitely a party dish, okay? Especially with the Montauk family. And guess who is the queen that makes it? That's right, your girl, Miss T. Or you can call me Miss Jonesy. But yes, this is it. You just go in there and give it a couple of, what they call it, rough chops. And you got yourself some delicious tuna. And once you put it in the refrigerator and let it get chilled, because it look loose now, right? But really it's not. Because all you want to do is chill it. Y'all, I don't know if y'all see Miss Kada made her grand entry in the kitchen. I'm glad she let me get this video out. But you guys, if you're not part of the fam, what you waiting on? I'm here to give you easy recipes for beginners, okay? Oh, I gotta taste it. Wait a minute. Let me taste it. Yep. That's it. My cow wanna walk off with the lid. Y'all, excuse me. I gotta take this and go around it because I hate for the appearance, I can't even get it out right. The appearance to look raggedy. I hate to dine at people's houses. And you invite me over to dinner. And it look like y'all done played in the food. Okay? No offense to anybody. And we're gonna lock it. And we're gonna save it. Yes, just like that. So you have some delicious tuna salad. Easy recipe right here on my channel. So leave a like, comment, and share with any and everyone. Because you know the holidays is coming. And it makes the perfect appetizer, side dish, you name it. It makes the perfect entry in any party or family gathering. And let's not talk. It's a perfect nutritionist meal. Yes, it is, and it's affordable. So, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Sending much love from my house to yours.